Grafana, an open-source observability and visualization platform, used to turn raw metrics, logs, and traces into interactive all-in-one dashboard. So think of it as the display layer of your monitoring stack. To be more specific, it doesn't store most data itself. Instead, it connects to the tool you already use. For example, Prometheus for metrics, Loki for logs, Kubernetes monitoring, SQL databases, and cloud monitoring APIs. Includes a built-in feature for generating simulated data called the test data DB. Grafana simply visualizes whatever those systems produce.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So the core idea is simple. You pick a data source, edit few parameters, shows a panel type, and Grafana renders a real-time widget directly on a dashboard.
Oh my god.
A panel in Grafana is the basic building block. It can be graph, a gauge, a table, a heat map, or a single stat number. And dashboards are just collection of panels, organized for specific use cases, such as DevOps team's server health dashboard, or a DBA's performance screen. Panels are driven by queries, which means you can slice and dice your data however you want, and even combine multiple data sources on the same dashboard. Grafana also supports templating, so a single dashboard can dynamically adapt to different services, regions, or environment using a simple drop-down. Grafana also includes an alerts features, so instead of passively watching graphs, you define alert rules that continuously evaluate your metrics and trigger notification to Slack, email, or webhooks when thresholds are crossed. This transforms dashboard into an operational tool for detecting and responding to incidents before customers even notice. You can self-host Grafana on a virtual machine, use Grafana Cloud for managed storage and scaling, or simply run it inside of a Docker container. Its open plug ecosystem allows you to extend Grafana with data source plugins, visualization panels, and apps that add specialized workflow. The reason why developers and ops team love Grafana is straightforward. It delivers instant visibility into what's happening across systems without forcing you to migrate data or jumping between 6-7 different dashboards. And instead of guessing from logs or running ad hoc queries, you get a live shareable picture of performance, errors, and trends. If your API latency suddenly spikes, a Grafana dashboard can show your database latency rising at the exact same moment, pointing you to the root cause in seconds. That's it for today's video. I hope you understand what is Grafana. Don't forget to share with your friend who does not even know what Grafana is.